Hello and welcome to the Craft Cart. Well, in this show, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite craft articles that you can even try making at home. Well, I find it very useful and innovative and hope that you will also find them useful. So, let's go. Who doesn't like lights? Lights किसे अच्छे नहीं लगते? Well, lights really brighten up our lives, isn't it? We need lights at various occasions like birthdays, various festivals. There are many occasions in our lives when we really need lights. And so we really like to light innovative lamps, decorative lamps, and they also add to our home decor, isn't it? So how about making lamps using natural materials? Isn't it exciting and cool? Well, I find it very satisfying and I really love and enjoy doing it. And that's what I'm going to share with you all. Well, you must have seen it or heard before about it. But this is one of my favorite ways of making lamps, and that's why I'm sharing with you how I make my natural lamps. दिवाली हो, क्रिसमस हो या न्यू ईयर्स ईव हो, कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो या कोई भी सीजन हो, आप इन लैम्प्स को बना सकते हैं और यूज कर सकते हैं. I mean, they are useful at any festival, any season. Well, sweet limes are so good for health, isn't it? Sweet lime or sweet lemon और मौसम्बी जिसे कहते हैं या मीठा नींबू जिसे कहते हैं. So the sweet limes are so good for health, isn't it? They are rich in vitamin C, they boost immunity, they are great for the skin, and some of us have it often, right? But most of the time what we do is throw the peel away, isn't it? But how about not throwing the peel away and making decorative lamps with it? Well, that's what I'm going to share with you all. So what you have to do is simply cut the sweet lime into half. You have to make the two equal parts of the sweet lime. Once you've had the juice of it and once the flesh is completely out, you have to completely clean, okay, the two pieces like the way I have cleaned it here. Okay, if you can see, this is my sweet lime half and I've cut it into half and completely cleaned it. And once it's completely clean, you need to just dry it for a day or so, and once it's not so completely dry, simply start making your lamps, like how I made this candle. Well, take a look at it. This is the sweet lime peel and I have made a candle out of it, since I thought that Christmas is approaching and I like to have more candles. So these are some of the candles that I have made. The bigger ones I have already shown you. This is the bigger one and this is the medium size, and the color has got a bit darker, but I really like it. It's looking very natural. So once the candle is made, this is how it appears. And this was a very small sweet lime that I got, and so I really love the yellow color, and well, these are the two small the two small candles that I have made from this sweet lime, which is really pure nice yellow color, which I really loved. Those, I will also like to share with you these colorful lamps. And how can you make it? You have to completely dry the peel. Remember, we had not dried the peel completely. So if you want, you can actually dry the peels completely and clean it up with some dry cloth. And then what you get is this, which appears to be a bit dark. Okay, so it appears to be very dark in fact. So what you can do is you can actually color them up with your favorite colors. So I have used acrylic paints here, and this is the green color lamp that I have painted, as you can see. And I have also kept a tea light inside. Yes, so this is how you can light this lamp. Isn't it cool? So this is the blue shade. And well, it appears to me very beautiful. I'm really satisfied with the output. So this this is the maroon shade, and this is very pretty red color maroon shade, and the white, and also the pretty orange shade, which I have really loved because it's of course orange. It's, you know, it's sweet lime, so I just love this orange color a lot. And also this tea light that I have kept inside, it's looking cool. And so if you can see that these are the colorful lamps that you can actually make and light them up, and it will definitely look beautiful in your home decor. So in this way you can actually make as many lamps as you wish, any time of the year. As you can see, sweet lamps are available throughout the year, so anytime you can make these lamps, and you can also give them innovative shapes. Like you can see, I have cut it little bit into some shape here, a little bit of ear carving and sculpting can be done as well. So this is how you can make it more innovative and decorative as and how you want it. You can even make some decorative designs on these lamps, okay, so it will look more creative. So you can be just as creative as you wish. And this is the water candle that I have made. So if you can see that this is a water candle, and well, this is the way it looks, and if you can see, it actually floats inside the water. Um, the lamp, if you can see, will even take a closer look at that. So you can actually make even water candles in the peels. Isn't it exciting? So as you can see, all the lamps are lit now. So I hope you will also try and make these lamps and candles at home. And if possible, do share a picture with me in the comment section. Well, if you like my video, please do hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel so that whenever I'll upload a new video, you will definitely get a quick update.